Okay, tell me if this has happened to you. You take your car to the shop. Let's say it's for an oil change. They come out a half an hour later. They just happen to have noticed in their 20-point checklist that you need a bunch of work, like $2,000 worth. They tell you it's all important and they have time today to do it if you just say okay. What do? Here's where I can help. You can go to raiseahood.com and talk to me for $20 and we'll go over what you really need and what it should cost you. I'm here to make sure that you get the answers you need to make an informed decision. My name is Lori Johnson, and you can find me at raiseahood.com.